the wet rag is to help stop the heat transfer from where I'm brazing down the pipe or onto this. So I'm just going to braze this one joint, then I'll move up to the top one. So I've cooled the joints off, just kind of for my own safety. It's so tight up here. I'm gonna make sure all the joints are good. I gotta switch flashlights because this one sucks. That's way better. Alright, so I'm gonna use this mirror to look all the way around. Make sure it's 100% sealed up, capped off. Bottom one's good. Yeah, these are perfect. Got the arrow got in the right direction toward the coil, which is the flow of the refrigerant. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and clean up this joint where it's actually leaking, and still got the nitrogen flowing outside. So let's find the sandpaper. See where all this oil is spilt out over the years since it was installed. Not really thin enough for me to do much. Turn this tank off. So I'm going to clean up here, take all the trash out, cool this down, inspect that joint, and then I can go outside, turn the nitrogen off. Well, turn it off so I can pressure test it with nitrogen, and then pull a vacuum. So that will definitely hold the pressure test, and I'm gonna. So we're essentially doing the pressure test to verify this connection, make sure there's no other leaks in the system, and then we're going to pull a vacuum, make sure it gets down to 500 microns. That's like a secondary test to make sure there's no other leaks in the system, and it also remove all the moisture in the air from the system so that we can charge it up. It'll be good to go. Manufacturer specifications. All right, thanks for watching.